Hello, my friends, and welcome to another product review. This is the 4-port USB data hub from ikuai, and this runs about $31 on Amazon. They currently have a 30% off coupon on that. Okay, so this one features independent on-off switch, 10 gigabytes per second speed, works with Windows 7 through 11, Mac OS 9.1 and above, and Linux 2.4 and above. This features 4 USB slots of 3.2, USB 3.2. All right, this comes with an additional power cord. See, it has an 18-month product warranty on there as well. So this comes with a power cord, and I believe it's 2 feet long. I just want to get a demonstration of the length of this. So that's probably, I believe that's 3 feet long, so a good distance there. So you can at least plug it in behind your desk and have that on your desk. So that's a good length there. Okay, this features surge protection as well, and there it is. It's solid, I believe, aluminum. Each individual on-off button here on the bottom, it has these rubber pads for you set it on your desk so it's non-slip there. Okay, we have a nice little Velcro wire holder there, and this also is, I believe, 3 feet long. So that's a nice, I was thinking, oh, maybe because my computer's under the desk, and I was thinking maybe I hope this is long enough so it's going to be able to plug into my USB on my computer and have this on the desk and be able to put my attachments on there. And it is definitely long enough. So some things you run into with a computer or PC, everything's USB now. So if you have your speakers and your mouse pad and your mouse and your keyboard and a bunch of other stuff, pretty soon you're like, man, I'm running out of USB spots to plug stuff in. So this is going to come in real handy, and should be super fast as well. So we can plug this in, and it's going to give us the speed, reliability, and power surge protection for your devices as well. So that is that. If you guys want to check this out on Amazon, I'm going to link it in the description below. So you guys can feel free to do that. Let's plug this bad boy in and see what it can do, yeah? Okay, my friends. So I plugged in the plug-in for this here, and I ran the wires up there. I have it on my desk right here. It lights up the little blue lights and everything. It's pretty nice. Okay, we're going to be doing a test run on this. But one thing I got to note first is there's different colored USB ports. So there's some that are black that say SS. Those are super speed. And let's see. I think I have 2 SS's, and then just your regular black ones that don't say SS by them are going to be a USB 2 times speed. So that's up to 480 megabits per second. Now I have, because this thing is so fast, I've plugged it into, I have one red port, and USBs that are red are Gen 3.1 or Gen 2, and those are up to 10 gigabits per second. And then your blue USBs are generally up to 5 gigabits per second. So what we're going to do, show how fast this thing is, but everything I have to upload, the fastest I have is going to be the blue USB. I don't have anything that's got red transfer speed right now at the actual 10 gigabits per second. So I have this WD hard drive, and we're going to just plug this in here. So these are blue, so it's going to be a little bit slower. And this thing is just plug and play. just come up here on my screen. Okay, second. All right, so I have these picture folder here. It's about 9 gigabytes. I'm just going to drag that into this new folder here, and we'll see how long it takes. So 1% complete. And we started at the 2-minute mark. So it's going pretty fast there. Now you must remember that 10 Gbps with a small b is gigabits, and with a big B it's gigabytes. So gigabytes are about 8 times. I think there's 8 gigabits per gigabyte. So if you see that download speed at 10 Gbps, small b, you're not getting 10 gigabytes per second, which would be insanely fast. So we're looking at the 10 here, and with the blue SuperSpeed, the best we can get off of this hard drive here is the 5 gigabits per second. So for 10 gigabytes, we're about halfway through, and looking to be about a minute in. So pretty fast for transferring speeds for sure. So before I was just using this. I was just using my my mouse pad. Came with a couple of USBs here, and you can definitely tell the difference in like as far as speed wise. And just running this, this has that 4 ports, super handy. But this one's just kind of cooking through here. So looking like it's gonna be maybe about 3 minutes. Not exactly sure the exact transfer rate that is, but it's definitely quite quick for almost 10 gigabytes to transfer like that. So 2 minutes in, 82% for nearly 10 gigabytes. So another thing I like about this thing is it's the little buttons. It's nice and stable there. Doesn't really move around on the desk. So again, looking back at the download speed here, and 99%, so about 2.5 minutes there. And these little buttons, you can turn this off or on. Plug and play was immediate. So it doesn't get hot too, like some things you plug in and they get super warm or something like that. This one's got nice 4 USB ports here, and it works quite well. I like the non-stick function where it just kind of sits there on your desk and doesn't move around. Sometimes you try to plug stuff in and it's difficult. So this is kind of small and out of the way, and it's a nice addition to my little workstation here. So all right guys, I hope this review was helpful. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm going to link this product in the description below if you guys want to check it out. And this one runs let's see here, sorry about that, about $32 on Amazon, and you get a 30% off coupon on that right now. So I'll link it in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.